Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Williamsfield heading back towards Porus. Now we have to drive over Melrose Hill now because the Melrose Hill bypass that would bypass Melrose Hill is closed to traffic in this direction because the road is being incorporated into Highway 2000. So when traveling through Manchester basically, and you get to this section, you no longer have a bypass to bypass Melrose Hill. You now have to drive over Melrose Hill. Now, while it's all good and fine to have progress, I don't think it was communicated to the persons that use this road that this is the new route they would have to take. I think persons thought that Melrose Hill was just being used. The bypass was just closed temporarily until while they work on Highway 2000, like a bridge or something would go over it. But the highway is actually going to run along that road. So the highway has basically taken the road. So this is where persons have to drive now and going forward. And they would not even fix the road. Whoever, parish council, NWA, they would not even fix the road. This is now a main road. Now it's a very narrow hill. That's why the bypass was built. But they've now decided to use the bypass for the highway. And the least you could do is fix this road and put it in a condition worthy of a main road basically. But that wasn't done, and I guess if it hasn't been done yet, it won't be done for now. So let's take a tour over Melrose Hill, and I want you guys to leave messages in the comments telling us, did you know that Melrose Hill, the bypass, would become a part of Highway 2000? A lot of persons thought it was just a temporary, using this road would be temporary. But it turns out it's going to be permanent because the bypass will be a part of Highway 2000 now. And you have to pay toll to use Highway 2000. So let's take a tour through Melrose Hill. Now it's all good when you build these highways, love the progress, but I don't think you should be using an existing road that persons need, especially to bypass a hill. I think the highway should have used a new road completely and not interfere with the Melrose Hill bypass. And this road is in a terrible state. Terrible. Alright guys, so this is the tour through Melrose Hill. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. We'll just make the video till we come off the hill back to the main road. Alright, so if we were to go right at this intersection, we would go back onto the Melrose Hill bypass and head towards Williamsfield, but we're going to go left here and head towards Porus. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.